I so want to go in there to like try to take some pictures, but I kind of don't want to go beyond this point. I don't want to die. I don't know, someone might come out with a spear or something, I don't know, or a shotgun, I don't know, who knows. It is America. Yeah, I don't want to take the risk. Definitely not when I'm alone. Maybe I'll drag some few people with me some other time. Yeah. I think it'd be a nice picture taking spot though. Yeah. Not much traffic here too. Oh, wait. Okay. I think that's good enough. Okay. So thoughts on going from a 198 shift knob, the stock one, to the 610 gram. The shape is different. The stock one is this so-called light bulb shape. This one is a sphere. I like the way this grips more. Just fits in the hand more. I don't know, it just slots into gear a lot easier. It's less of you putting into the gear and more of this just going in from the momentum. Downshifts are so much easier.